shot in the right hand side, powder in the left. It's the old Lee All. There's a new one out now called a 2. And what I'm sticking in here today is these shells are already primed, never been used, brand new. So I don't need to worry about repriming or depriming for that matter. But I'll just point out how you deprime a shell. That's a spent shell. Just pop that under the first position, and as I come down, just pop that central, bring him down, and you heard that fall out. Deprimed. To reprime, just stick a primer in there, go down again with the shell in, and then reprime, which give you that. Right, so after that phase of repriming, you stick them in the third part, which you come down and you slide the bar over to give you the powder, and you'll see the powder go in. The powder is now in there. Let the bar go back up. Get hold of a wad. Gives you an idea of the price there, look. 12 bore, 70mm, 200 for a £5. This is 100 12 bore at 70mm, and they've already primed. £9.95. Right, so you stick your primer up in there. That primer, what am I talking about? You stick your wad up in there like that, or just resting down there if you're holding a mobile phone and filming. And just line him up. So there he is, all lined up. Just pop him in, and you can see him go all the way. And make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. Don't compress it too hard because you'll distort the actual wad itself. So there he is, he's in there. All we got to do now is, whilst he was down, is you flick over for the shot. So you pull that over and all the shot goes in. So looking down there, all your shots in. Like that. Pop him onto the next stage, which is your first crimp. Bring him all the way down, and normally you'd do this a lot quicker, obviously. You wouldn't get anything done otherwise. Pointless doing it if it's going to take you 3 minutes to do one shell. Right, so that's how he is to begin with. Then you pop him in for his final crimp. As he comes down, make sure it goes all the way home. That's all the way home. There's one finished shell. Voila! Better have a look at the finished product. All nice and closed up. One finished shell. And what I'm using is I'm using 1 ounce of shot